In this video, we'll implement the game rules of Chinese chess. It's like how we can make a move for rook or knight or bishop. Yeah, each piece has its own rule. To save some typing, today I'll copy from the corresponding tutorial I posted in Medium. So I'll put the link in the description of this video. So that we can create private ID move piece from a location, right? From column, from row, to column, to row. And we'll move the target piece. Then we'll insert a piece at the destination, to row, to column, to row. And which color? Of course, it's the moving piece dot its color, and its moving piece dot rank. So again, the idea is we'll find the two pieces, the two locations. So this is guaranteed to have a piece there. The target piece, it might be nil, but it's okay if we remove the nil from the pieces set. And anyway, we'll add. So there might be a problem if at the target location there is our own piece, but that's another story. We have other game rule code to avoid that. Now let's try this move piece. Save it. We can try it here. So here we have our board object. So now we can make a move like that. Oh, we can print out the empty board. Then we can make a move. Board.move piece. Oh, we cannot make it private. Because otherwise we cannot find it here. Move piece. Say let's move the rook on the top left corner, so it's 0, 0, 2, column 0, and row 2. Save it, run. See, here is the original empty, no, the initial location of this rook at 0, 0. Now we moved it to 0, 2. It works. Next, we'll introduce our game rules. For example, we cannot move our piece out of the board. So let's add our Boolean function. Let's check out of board allocation. This is easy to check, right? So then we copy the code from the tutorial and put it here. So of course, colon less than 0 or greater than 8, right? Or row less than 0 or row greater than 9. That's illegal. That will return true if it's out of the board. Next, we can check if a move is straight, it means not diagonally. This is a handy supporting method we'll use later. And we can also have one to check is diagonal. So after I copy from the tutorial, the format is not perfect. Next, so for yeah, another helper method is how many steps a move contains. Still like auto, no. I forgot what is the auto format shortcut key. And those are two palaces. So the king and the guards cannot move out of that. So that's why we have another game rule method to check that. Outside palace, out of palace. Do we have a format? Refactor, no. Force. Format, oh, is Shift Command F. Let's try. Shift Command F. Yes. Cool. So this is the code to check if a location is out of Paris. Another one, the next one is to check if a location is on self side. Paste, highlight, command. This is a Apple computer, so the key combination is Command Shift F to auto format the code. The next one is a very useful function to check like how many pieces are between two locations. For example, there are two blue, means the blue pieces, there are two pieces between the red starting point and end location. You can check the detail on the tutorial. So the code is rather involved. So let me copy it here. Wow. Luckily, we have auto command format. Command Shift F. Yes. Number of pieces between the two locations. So this is for not for diagonal. So we'll check vertically if it's vertical, and here I guess is horizontal. We have to check like two scenarios. Yeah. So this is useful for the rule of a rook and a cannon, right? For the cannon, to make a capture, we need the number of pieces between the starting point and end point. The number has to be 1. Okay, we still need another one, self-killing. We cannot do self-killing. So, paste, highlight, Command Shift F. Nice. With all the supporting methods there, we can finally start create our first rule for the guard. The guard is might be the simplest piece. So yeah, the guard cannot go outside of the Paris, and it has to move diagonally. It's diagonal and the steps. Yeah, it can only move by one step. It's a slow piece. Next one, let's handle king. So king cannot go outside of Paris. If it's outside Paris, we return false. It means it's not valid move. And yeah, the king has to go straight, and each step is 1. Next is the knight. So in Chinese chess, the knight has a similar move as the knight does in chess. Paste. So let's take a look of the board. So for example, here is the starting point. The knight can move to here, and here, and here, and here. There's 8 options. But be careful. There's another rule, like this guy is like a blocker. This guy can block the knight, so it cannot move to here and here. So this blocker will block those 2 moves. This blocks those 2 destinations. And here, with this blocker there, the knight cannot move to here and here. So that's why we have code like that. Next is our bishop. Here is the bishop. So there are still some blocking location between the move. So here is the start point. It can move like in this way, or from here to here. But if there's another piece in the middle, then it's blocked. Here is the same. We will block this route. This. Now let's go to rook. Rook. The powerful piece in Chinese chess. So yeah, the idea is simple. It goes straight, and there's nothing between the starting point and the destination. Next, cannon. Cannon, when it doesn't do the capture, is similar. The move is similar to rook. But if it's doing the capture, there has to be 1 piece in between. So we call that a bridge, or a stand for the fighting. The last one is pawn. The pawn has a different rules for one case after it crossed the river, and another case before it crosses the river. So Yeah, if it's on self side, not self side, it has different one, different rules. With all the corresponding rules for each piece, we can make a valid move check like that. Valid move. It will answer the question if a move is valid or not. So if it's out of board, okay, we don't care which piece it is. Otherwise, um, yeah, self-killing is not allowed. Self-capture. That's the common rules for every piece. And after that, we check by using each rule for every piece. Let's give it a test. Save. So let's go back to here. We can print out. So that's don't move. That's SYSO control space. That's print out is valid move. No. Oh. Is valid. Wait. Board dot is okay. Is, let's see what's wrong here. Valid move. Okay. So let's check. Valid move. Okay. From 0, that's the rook. So it cannot move to 1, 1. This should print out the fourth. And then /o control space BRD dot valid move. Same rook 0, 0, but this is valid if we move to the 2. Let's give a try. Run. If we see false and true, okay, we don't need this one. It's annoying. Save. Run again. Yes. The first move from 0 to 1, 1 is valid because here the piece is rook. It has to go straight, horizontally or vertically. The second one, yes, is valid because we are trying to move this guy to here, 2, 0. Cool. See you next time.